Hey, what's up, guys? Today we got a 2014 Nissan Rogue S, and I'm gonna show you how to remove the maintenance light. So first thing first, when you start your car, you're gonna notice it has a little signal over here telling you maintenance oil and filter, and in this case, she needs her tires rotated too. So the first thing first, you can do it while your car is running, or you can do it when your car is off, or in the second position. So now that my car is running, all I'll have y'all do is this: turn it off, put in the second position. That means you push on this button two times without having your legs on the gas or brake. So one, two. I mean one. Yes, because they only have one position. So I guess. So now you push on this right here, this key, and you want to push it till you get to something like the main menu. See, each time you push, it's changing. And when you get to that main menu, it's easy like that. All you want to do is scroll down till you get to maintenance, and you push enter. And there you push enter on oil filter and you reset. And these settings right here, you can set it yourself. I always set them to 5,000 because all my customers I recommend high mileage synthetic oil change, you know. And you can put it to 3,000, 3,500 depending on how what kind of oil change you do. And we'll reset for the tires too. And I don't know who put her stuff for the tires at 5,000, but I'm gonna put it at 7,000 because or 8,500, because it's really recommended to you rotate your tires every time the second time you do your oil change. Someone just give her a break and put it to 10,000. Yep, and then we set to go. You know, let's check order and see that there's nothing there. There's nothing, and then you just step back out. You start your car and make sure your light is gone. Right there, no warning. You're ready and set to go. Now you can do your oil change and put your new sticker. Thank you guys. Thumbs up, subscribe. Mechanic is fun.